DJI manufactures a large number of drones, many of which are feature-rich, simple to use, and usually affordable for casual or enthusiast consumers. However, the company's latest drone, the DJI Inspire 3, is not for the general public. Rather, it's a commercial-level 8K movie-making monster drone that comes with a host of attachments for a staggering $16,499. The Inspire 3 is the successor to DJI's long-running large and professional Inspire 2 drone, which debuted in 2016. According to DJI, the new Inspire 3 is 20% more aerodynamic and can fly for 28 minutes. In comparison, the Inspire 2 has a runtime of 25 minutes. When on the ground, both drones have an arachnid-like form, but when lifted, the landing gear and four propellers swing upward, allowing the gimbal and camera pair to hang. In this video, we will take you through everything you need to know about the brand new Inspire 3 drone. Before we get into the video, please be sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Now, let's get into it. DJI's latest remote control gear, the RC Plus, is included with the Inspire 3 and supports its dual control mode, which allows one person to handle just the movie camera while another controls the drone using, for example, a front first-person view FPV camera. The FPV lens is a 161-degree ultrawide that sits in front of a 1/1 8-inch night vision sensor and can transmit with only a 90 milliseconds delay to the RC Plus 7-inch 1200 nits screen. DJI's latest proprietary OcuSync technology, the O3 Pro, is used to transmit the video feed. It can broadcast 1080 at 60 fps from up to 15 kilometers away, making it ideal for live streamers who can collect footage via the RC Plus HDMI connector. The Inspire 3 also can stream 4K at 30 fps across a 5 kilometers range. One of the most significant changes to the Inspire 3 is the primary movie camera. DJI claims the Zenmuse X9 8K Air camera is their lightest full-frame system ever. It employs SynCore 3.0, DJI's latest image processing technology, and can record 8K Cinematieng footage at 25 frames per second. In addition, it can record in Apple ProRes RAW format at 8K at 75 fps, a first for DJI. The Mavic 3 Sane, DJI's smallest pro video drone, only supports ProRes 422 LT, but is less expensive at $4,999. However, both Cinematieng and ProRes RAW recording formats are only available in the Inspire 3 after acquiring a $979 license key. The X9 8K Air can also capture 4K at 120 fps in ProRes RAW, and it does not need cropping. The camera has dual native ISO settings, 800/4000 for 30 fps and lower, and 320/1600 for greater frame rates. It also boasts a dynamic range of more than 14 stops, allowing you to fine-tune images in all horizon lighting circumstances. The gimbal allows the camera to tilt 80 degrees and rotate 360 degrees with no sight obstacles. The 3 supports interchangeable lenses, just like professional cameras and the Inspire 2. DJI's DL mount lenses are compatible with the camera, including new telephotos and full frames in 18mm f2.8, 24mm, 35mm, and 50mm sizes. It will also accommodate Sony E-mount lenses. However, it is unlikely to handle big ones. Another pro feature of the Inspire 3 is DJI's Waypoint Pro. It employs DJI's real-time kinematic (RTK) positioning technology to precisely find and reproduce motions within millimeters. This means that filmmakers may capture many takes of the same scenario and be certain that the shot will appear consistent each time. In terms of functionality and pricing, it is evident that the DJI Inspire 3 is aimed at cinematic production houses. There are numerous accessories available for the drone, but the initial combo package includes a good amount, including the RC Plus remote with strap, air gimbal camera, 6 batteries, charging hub, 1 TB SSD, trolley case, 3 quick-release propellers, lens carrying box, and more. The kit will be available by the end of June, according to a new statement from DJI. Some retailers continue to sell the older DJI Inspire 2, including a $7,099 advanced bundle that includes everything you need to shoot cinematic 5.2K footage in Cinema DNG and Apple ProRes. It even accepts microSD cards, something the Inspire 3 appears to be abandoned in favor of its SSD cartridges, which cost $799 for a 1 TB model. Instead of the small microSD cards used by drones such as the DJI Avata, the new Inspire 3 employs a B-Fire 1 TB DJI ProRes SSD with integrated heatsinks, enabling for write and read rates of up to 1,100 maps and 900 maps, respectively. It fits into a compartment on the rear of the drone and, when removed, may be linked to a computer through a conventional USB-C cable. If there was any doubt that the new DJI Inspire 3 is intended firmly at professional filmmakers or well-funded content creators, it's the drone's $16,499 price tag. However, you do receive a great set of peripherals, including 6 rechargeable batteries, a 1 TB SSD, the DJI RC Plus remote controller, and a rolling carrying bag to transport everything. The Inspire 3 can capture dynamic soaring footage, whether a pilot is at the controls or the aircraft is following a pre-programmed route, and has a top speed of 58 miles per hour, the same top speed as the Inspire 2 after DJI's engineers decided to reduce it from 67 miles per hour. The drone may also be used to imitate the motions of a camera linked to a crane, a cable system, or even a dolly on the ground, eliminating the requirement for the setup and teardown of such heavy equipment, assuming no sound is required for the scenario. The new Inspire isn't quiet, that's for sure. Anyway, that's all from us today, guys, on DJI's brand new Inspire 3. Please be sure to like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe for more content like this.